Want to see a flag that looks like a chessboard on acid? Well, stick around because we're looking at the flags of the Plurinational State of Bolivia. We start on the 17th of August 1825, following the country's independence from Spain, with this stylised civil flag. There was this state flag, but it looks like it's just trying to outdo the civil version. As you can see, the three colours were there from the outset, as they were used widely in clothing by the Aymara and the Quechua people who dominated the area before the arrival of the Spanish conquerors. But that's a whole different history lesson. The colours were associated with the valour of the army, red, the richness of mineral resources, yellow, and the fertility of the land. In 1826 they moved to this simpler version of the civil flag and the state version, introducing a coat of arms. There was also a bit of a thing where Peru and Bolivia were a confederation during the mid-late 1830s. But on the 31st of October 1851, the current state flag with this rather interesting and very detailed coat of arms was introduced and is still in use today. The chessboard, well, here it is. This is the Wiphala banner introduced on the 7th of February 2009 to represent the people of the region and is officially a dual flag of the country. The tricolour, or tricolour, and chessboards of Bolivia.